Would you like to make your everyday meals healthier? Try adding flax seeds. Start by dry roasting flax seeds on a low flame for a few minutes until they release a nutty aroma. Once cooled, grind them into a fine powder and store it in an airtight jar. Flax seeds are packed with omega 3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Great for heart health, digestion, and glowing skin. Sprinkle this nutritious flaxseed powder into your favorite dishes. Add a spoonful to your omelette mix for a wholesome breakfast. Stir it into soups for a rich nutty flavor or toss it over salads for a crunchy, healthy twist. Just a spoon a day can make a big difference. Simple, natural, and full of goodness.